Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create breakout rooms during a Teams meeting. At the top of your screen is an icon labeled Rooms. Select the number of rooms you'd want to create. You can allow Teams to assign people to rooms automatically, or you can manually select which people are grouped into which rooms. Once your rooms are created, they will appear on the right-hand side of your screen here. If you hover over these three dots, you can rename the rooms to something more appropriate. If I were in an actual meeting, it would allow me to join the room, open the room, or close the room. If I wanted to change the rooms people are in, I would click on Assign Participants, which would give me a list of all of the people that I have in this meeting. I would then be able to select by using a drop-down which would appear by the right of their name, which rooms I wanted to move them into. Along the top here, you have several other options. I could add another room, which would allow the room to appear here. I could recreate the rooms, which would delete all my existing rooms and allow me to recreate them. I could delete all the rooms, or I could edit the settings of the rooms. One of the things this editing of settings allows is to set a time limit. If I toggle that on, I can select how long I want participants to be in the room. I could also choose whether or not I wanted people to be able to exit the rooms, or whether I wanted them to stay in until the end by simply toggling this on or off. And it's as simple as that. If you want help on how to assign presenters to manage each of the rooms, click here to watch one of my other videos. Thanks a lot, I hope that helped.